Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking a project that might seems a little more tricky. Prepping and painting stained trim in a big house. Stained trim required a different approach than regular paint. Here is something I didn't mention. This house is designed by an Italian. Actually the new owners wanted to change to a white look. Oak trim can sometimes make a house feel a little heavy or outdated, but with the right steps we can give it modern look without replacing it. Let's dive into it. Now I'm going to tape off the surrounding areas. As you see here, I'm using tape and paper covering the walls around the trim area. I will also be covering the floor with a rose paper to catch any drips or spills. This is the zip wall that I use for each other door here, keeping the overspray safe, especially when you get in and out without damaging the plastic wall or nothing. This is such a good idea having until end of the job. Actually it came with a little toy that helped me to cut plastic. Okay, for now I think I had to leave it open because we called the day off. And pretty much we are done for today. Oh yeah, here we go, we have the snow. I'm just trying to make my way home, sadly. But anyway, I love the snow. Here we get back to start the job. As you see here, we're almost done with the preparation. Now we have to start washing the grease. We have to start with the primer and paint. I'm gonna let you know what kind of primer and paint I have to use on this trim. Actually, we are leaving the decorative ceiling like that, and doors as well, so we'll try to keep the overspray away from there and save it, so at the end of the job it looks perfect with the doors and the ceiling, so we'll match white and stain. Looks like we got the 4 legs supervisor in the job. Here I'm using some liquid glass, save us sometimes when we have a lot of tiny windows like that, so we'll save us sometimes instead putting tape or plastic on it, so at the end of the job we can remove it. Alright guys, so here we are done pretty much with the preparation and we are trying to make it ready for the primer, but before that we have to take some advice from this little puppy here, how to take care of him while we spray. This is the best bonding primer here I ever used for the cabinetry and the wood stuff like that. Actually for this house I'm planning to use more than 35 gallons. Alright, now we are done with the first coat of primer and we check every imperfection here. We use some wood filler, bonding, and we're gonna sand it, clean everything from the beginning, and we're gonna start with second coat. Alright, now here we are done with the second coat of primer. We sand it down again, we clean everything with the vacuum, we wipe it down the trim. Now we're gonna go with the fun part. The product that we decided to use for this trim is Emerald Urethane Satin Finish. It's wipeable, you can clean it and everything. This is the best product for the trim. Actually, this product is the higher recommended from everybody who gonna use it in their own house. Okay, here we are done with the first coat of paint, so we're gonna leave it set up, leave it dry for today. We're gonna come back tomorrow, we're gonna start sanding between coats. We're gonna clean everything and make it ready for our last coat. Here we got air ventilation. This is such a good idea having the work nice and clean. Please like and subscribe to our channel if you want to see more video like that. Now we realize something that we didn't think about it. I have to switch the whole outlets to the white look. That's the fun part. Actually, when you are the painters, that means you are the last touch. Here is something I didn't mention before. This carpet here, it comes from the Washington DC White House. I think it brings such an elegance and history in the house.